Hello guys, today we're going to be going over a problem in the integrated 1 book, or 2-81, and this asks how many Jabberwocks are there. So this is the Jabberwockies, a poem by Lewis Carroll, and some people have read this in 6th grade, but we're going to go over it. So we can skip the poem because no one needs to read that. Alright, and now there are 20 tum-tum trees in the Tuggly Wood, and each Tuggly Wood is one Fumi's Bandersnatch, blah 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 blah. And then they're asking us how many Jabberwocks are there if you have 5 Fumi's Bandersnatches. So what we're trying to find is the amount of Jabberwocks. So we are going to use dimensional analysis for this. You see, each one of these, we can set them up as equal to each other. So for example, we have here a conversion chart. So 1 inch is 2.54 centimeters, and so on. So each one of these can be equal to this. So, or for example, like there are 20 tum-tum trees in the Tuggly Wood. So here we can have 20 tum-tum trees is equal to 1 Tuggly Wood. So we're gonna write down all our conversions. So how can I do this? It's not weighted, so 280. Damn, this is hard. 281. So first it says there are 20 tum-tum trees in the Tuggly Wood. We're gonna write 20 tum-tum Togi. That's how you pronounce it. And then we also have this is equal to 1. Because for every 20 tum-tum trees, we have 1 Tuggly Wood. My Sharpie's dying. Anyways, in each Tuggly Wood, I've been saying it wrong the entire time. But Tuggly Wood, there is 1 Fumi's Bandersnatch. So let's just write down all our conversions here so we have the information needed. So we have, and I'm not going to add the adjectives, I'm just going to add what it is. So it's 1 Bandersnatch. Then we also have just 5 toes, slithy toes, slithy or slithy? I don't like poetry. And 2 borogoves. Okay, what else? There are 2 Momraths per Jabberwock. Put Jab. Then there are 2 Jub in 200 tum-tum trees. There are birds. And then last one, there are 200 Momraths in each Borogrove. And then there are 5 Jub birds per slithy toad. Slithy. Okay, that's a 1. Or do you want to just make it 1.0? Okay, so this is, that right there is a 1. I just put 1.0 because I messed up the handwriting. Anyways, so we have here 7 conversions. So for example, let's say this doesn't have to be like stuff in the poem. This could be as well as 12 inches in 1 foot, 3 foot in a yard, and so on. Except there's 7 of these. So now they are asking us how many Jabberwocks there are if you have 5 Fumi's Bandersnatches. So let's start out with 5 Bandersnatches. And now we're gonna look here for which one. So I'm gonna take a pen this time. Let's use a purple pen. So now we have 5 Bandersnatches, and we're gonna look for the conversion that has a Bandersnatch in it. So this one here has it. So 5 Bandersnatches would be equal to 5 Tuggly Woods. So we're gonna ignore this, and we're gonna write that's also equal to 5 Tolgi woods. And now from here, we work backwards. So we're gonna look for any of these that have Tolgi woods. So this is the first conversion we're gonna use, and we have used it. Now we're gonna look for any one of these conversions that has Tolgi woods. So this one doesn't, this one doesn't, this one doesn't, but this one does. So this is gonna be our second conversion. Dimensional analysis. Let's do it Mr. Bird's way. So we have 20 tum-tum trees over 1 Tolgi wood. So we're just gonna multiply this. 20 trees woods. So now we hear these units cancel out. This is just a 1, so that's canceled out as well. So now 5 bandersnatches is equal to 5 times 20 tum-tum trees. So now we have tum-tum trees. So now we need to find another one of these units that has tum-tum trees in it. So if we look through here, we see this one does. This is 3. And now you see a pattern. We need to find one that has jub. So we look here, and this is going to be our 4th conversion. And we have toves here, so let's look for the slithy toves. 5. Now we have to go to borogoves. 6. And 6, 200, what is it? Wraths. So now we have 7. And this is going to be our last conversion. And looky here. Our last conversion is a Jabberwocky, and the thing is literally just asking us for Jabberwockies. So that were all worked out for us. Cool. So now we just have to write down all these values in here. And we have to do it like in dimensional analysis. So I'm going to rewrite all this down here. So since 5 bandersnatches is equal to 5 Tolgi woods, we don't have to write that. So I'm going to rewrite everything here. So we look here, we have 1, 2, and we need to find our third one. So this is going to be our third one. So trees has to cancel out trees, so we're going to have 2 over 200. But 2 over 200 is equal to 1 over 100. So we can just write, for each bird, we have 100 trees. And now these cancel out. And now keep doing this. Bird 4, where's number 4? Right there. 5 jubs per tove. So now we need the birds on the bottom. So we have 5 birds. My Sharpie's dying, bro. Over a tove. Now we need to find toves up here, which is right there. So we have, is it 5 per 200? No, it's 5 per 2. My bad. I can't even read my own handwriting. So we have 5 toves and 2 borogoves. So we're going to have 2 over 5. Now we need to find borogoves up here. So we go to number 6, and it should be here, right there. 200 wraths per borogove. So now we have 200. And now let's extend this, my bad. Okay, so now we have, that's the last one, which is wraths per Jabberwocky. So now we have 2 wraths, whoopsies, Jabberwocky. So now we have this entire thing, and note here, each one of these conversions is equal to 1, because there are 20 tum-tum trees and 1 Tolgi wood, so that is equal to 1. So 5 wood, so we have 5 bandersnatches, and we're just multiplying it by 1, so the value stays the same. This is called dimensional analysis. So we're just going to cancel out all these units, and we're left with with the unit of Jabberwocky. So let's rewrite this. So we have 5 times 20 times 2 times 200. Oopsies, that's a bad one. But we have over 100 over 5 over 5 over 2. Jabberwockies. Jabberwockies. So now we're gonna cancel. We're going to cancel because 25 is 4. Now we're left with 8 Jabberwockies. Plural of this is this or IES. Probably is IES. But anyways, the correct answer is 8. That's correct. See ya.